Unplug to recharge. When was the last time you were really alone? Truly by yourself. Just you and your thoughts. No cell phone, no tablet, no laptop. Many of us crave this solitude, though in today's wired world it is a rare occasion. We check texts and emails and phone message and social media at any hour, sitting up, laying down at stoplights and during TV commercials, and sometimes crossing the street. We've forgotten how to be alone, to sit peacefully, silently, to breathe and relax. The good news is there are hints of limit setting going on. I read of a movement called the Sabbath Manifesto. Remember when Sundays, Sabbaths were a day of rest? The important notion is being reclaimed by some, calling people to unplug one day a week to find solitude, to set aside a day, any day, to rest, unplugged from technology, to breathe. Google, Nike, and the Huffington Post are among corporations providing space for employees to take naps, to meditate, to be still. They proved that employees who take time for themselves to re-energize are more productive. It may be hard to convince your manager to allow you to nap sometime, but how else can you take your own Sabbath, your own time to slow down, to be alone, to be still, to breathe, to relax?